Hello, everyone, and welcome to STENO 24/7, your court reporting dictation channel. If you don't mind, I would like for you to hit the like button right now before you forget, because we all get busy and we all forget. So please don't forget to do that for me. You can also leave me a comment in the comment section and share this video and enjoy this video. So with all of that said, I want to get right into this dictation for you. This is going to be at 60 words per minute, selection number 27, on reply to appeal for probation. It's only 692 words. And this is jury charge. So this will be in the jury charge playlist on my channel. So, ready? Let's write. In this case, your counsel has made a very excellent plea in your behalf. I know you are sincere, just as he was sincere when he represented your matter and in asking for probation. I am also favorably impressed with the attitude of some of the complaining witnesses here and the presentation that the public defender has made. However, this is not the type of case that the court feels comes within the category of a probation case. You are a lawyer, and as such, an officer of the court. As an officer of the court, you hold a position of trust and confidence by virtue of licensing by the Supreme Court to practice your profession. You knew the difference between right and wrong, and apparently you did not have the will to follow the dictates of conscience that the Lord gave you and resist that temptation. There were probably many times over the period of the last 10 or 12 years when you had occasion to reflect on what you were doing and on the trust and responsibilities with which you were vested. It is a fact that we do err, and it is a fact that man is tempted to commit offenses against himself and others. But not all of us repeat some of the offenses over so long a period of our lives, and to the end of depriving other people of the right of their property, that you sought out your confessor, sought advice from him, and followed that advice to achieve peace with God, is something that all of us would be happy to be able to say. However, confessing your guilt to the Lord is only one aspect of it. And the court is still left with a duty to perform, a duty that the court is obligated to perform. The court is obligated to do all we can that is fair and just to the people of the state of Illinois, and in justice to the complaining witnesses and to the defendant in this case. The court feels that obligation to society as well as to you with respect to the offenses brought forth here. You have presented practically no defense. The court would like to accede to the request of your counsel and put you on probation. It might be that your frank concession and your efforts in cleaning up your offenses is your defense. However, you have an obligation to society as well as to yourself in this case. In indictment number 59, 291, the sentence will be the Illinois State Penitentiary for a term of not less than 1 year and not more than 10. In indictment number 59, 292, the sentence will be the Illinois State Penitentiary for a term of not less than 1 year and not more than 10 to run concurrently with case number 291. In indictment number 59, 293, the sentence will be the Illinois State Penitentiary for a term of not less than 1 year and not more than 10, and to run concurrently with cases 291 and 292. In indictment number 59, 294, the sentence will be the Illinois State Penitentiary for a term of not less than 1 year and not more than 10 years. which sentence will run concurrently with cases 291, 292, and 293. And in indictment number 59, 295, the sentence will be the Illinois State Penitentiary for a term of not less than 1 year and not more than 10 years, which sentence will run concurrently with cases 291, 292, 293, 294. Now, if the parole board sees evidence of your rehabilitation, you will undoubtedly have such consideration as the case permits. I do hope that they permit you to go out under supervision for a period. However, you will not forget what you said here today about trying to make restitution. That is the sentence of the court. Okay. There is your 60 word per minute video. As I promised you, I would always bring you for this week. Practice it. Find out where you have weaknesses. Strengthen your weaknesses and make them just as good as if they're not a weakness. And if you have any comments or questions, you can leave it at the bottom of the video. I return all comments and all questions. I answer all of them. So, oh, and before you go, hit the thumbs up on the video. Don't forget to rate this video. Thank you so much, everyone. And I hope to see you at the next video. Have a wonderful evening and happy writing.